Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting limit as x is approaching negative infinity of x divided by square root of x squared plus 1, right? So let's see how we're going to evaluate this limit. So let's get started. So this limit is same as limit as x is approaching negative infinity. So up here we have x, then divided by, so this is going to be square root of, now we're going to factor out x squared. If you do that, we're going to have 1 plus 1 over x squared, right? Okay, so here this is going to be equal to, now let's take a note of this. We know the square root of x squared is equal to the absolute value of x. Don't forget that, because I'm seeing something nice coming up here. So this is going to be limit as x is approaching negative infinity. So here we have x, then divided by, so this is going to be the square root of x squared multiplied by the square root of 1 plus 1 over x squared. Isn't that not cool? So from here down there we have the absolute value, right? So this is going to be equal to limit as x is approaching negative infinity. So here we have x, then divided by, so here we have the absolute value of x, and then multiply by the square root of 1 plus 1 all over x squared. So now let's take note of this. We know that the absolute value of x is equal to positive x, given that x is greater than or equal to 0, while the absolute value of x is equal to negative x, given that x is less than 0, right? What is that telling you? So that is telling us something really cool, right? That this part here, this is equal to negative x. So from here, this is equal to limit as x is approaching negative infinity. Here we have x, then divided by, this is negative x times the square root of 1 plus 1 over x squared. Then we can see this and this get cancelled, and taking our limit, we get this is equal to 1 all over, this is negative 1 multiplied by the square root of, this is 1 plus, then 1 all over negative infinity squared, right? So this is going to be equal to 1 all over, so negative 1 multiplied by the square root of 1 plus negative infinity squared is giving us positive infinity. And 1 all over infinity tends to 0. So here we have 0, and here we have 1 all over negative 1 multiplied by the square root of 1, which is giving us negative 1. And hence, this is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please, if you really enjoyed the video, kindly support this channel by subscribing. Please support the channel by subscribing. Also like, comment, and share.